The Mercedes-Benz W245, produced from 2005 to 2011, is the B-Class compact MPV. It features an auxiliary battery that supports the start-stop system. This aux battery prevents the main battery from draining by supplying power to accessories like the radio, lights, and sensors when the engine shuts off at stops. The aux battery is a 12-volt unit, frequently an AGM type designed for reliability in cyclic use. Neglecting the aux battery can cause start-stop system failures and potential damage to the alternator. The auxiliary battery in the W245 Mercedes-Benz B-Class is positioned for relatively easy access to minimize downtime during maintenance. While the exact location can vary slightly depending on the model year and engine type, it's typically found under the passenger side footwell or in the engine compartment near the main battery. Here's a wiring diagram showing the auxiliary battery's connection in the electrical system. Access to the auxiliary battery usually requires basic tools like a screwdriver and ratchet set. Always consult your W245's repair manual for the precise location and any model-specific instructions to ensure safe and correct access. Before you begin any work on the aux battery, safety is paramount. Always disconnect the main battery first to avoid electrical shorts. This simple step can prevent damage to your car's electrical system and protect you from potential injury. Refer to your owner's manual for the correct procedure for disconnecting the main battery, as models can vary. Once the power is disconnected, carefully remove any covers or brackets securing the aux battery. This ensures safe access to the battery terminals without damaging surrounding components. Next, disconnect the terminals, carefully noting the polarity. The positive terminal is typically red and connects to the relay system, while the negative is black and grounds the battery. Always disconnect negative first to prevent sparks. You'll typically need a wrench to loosen the terminal bolts. These are usually M8 bolts that secure the positive and negative terminals to the battery posts. Work slowly to avoid stripping the bolts. Finally, lift the old battery out of the compartment. Be mindful of its weight, which can be around 15 to 20 pounds for an AGM battery. Handle it with care to avoid spills from any residual acid and use protective gloves for safety. When selecting a replacement aux battery, match the original equipment manufacturer's specifications to avoid compatibility issues. The original is often a 12 volts, 60 to 80 hour AGM battery. Check key specs like CCA of 600-800 and reserve capacity of 100 to 120 minutes. Increasingly, lithium-ion aux batteries are being recommended for longer lifespans and better performance. Brands like Optima or Bosch are popular options. Ensure the replacement has the correct terminal types. M8 bolts are common. Begin by placing the new auxiliary battery into its compartment. Ensure it's positioned securely with no movement. Now reconnect the battery terminals. Make sure polarity is correct. The positive terminal connects to positive and negative to negative. This prevents damage to the electrical system. Tighten the terminal bolts securely using the appropriate tool. Ensure they are tight but not over-tightened to avoid damage. Replace any covers or brackets that were removed during the process. Make sure everything is properly aligned. Finally, double-check all connections. Verify terminals are secure, polarity is correct, and there are no loose wires or components. After installing the new auxiliary battery, begin with post-installation checks. Test the voltage of the new aux battery using a multimeter. The voltage should read above 12.5 volts to ensure proper electrical function. For vehicles with start-stop systems, resetting the engine control unit, or ECU, is crucial. Use Mercedes-specific diagnostic software like DAS to recalibrate the system to the new auxiliary battery. This prevents potential error codes and ensures reliable operation. Perform annual inspections of your aux battery terminals to check for corrosion. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion and extend battery life. If you experience start-stop malfunctions or other electrical issues, use an OBD2 scanner to check the aux battery's health and diagnose problems. Consider upgrading to lithium aux batteries for longer lifespan and better performance. However, always match the amperage specifications to avoid ECU errors. Be aware of signs of aux battery failure, such as voltage drops below normal levels or or repeated start-stop system problems.